Alright, and welcome to this video. In this video we will be building this beautiful workflow where you can generate leads of a simple form that's attached to a webhook. And I will be showing you the process, how you can build this for yourself, how you can build this for clients, and how you can eventually just sell this to potential clients or use yourself to generate leads. So to showcase what we have built is the following. What leads are you looking for? I'm looking for real estate leads in Texas. First name is Elwin, last name is Hot, and my email name is elwin@nibla.com. This email address and this a bit about yourself is I run e-commerce stores. So this email address is because the idea is that we will attach a email workflow to this, and this email address that you enter here will get the list of leads to their to this email eventually. So I'm going to press get quality leads, and as you can see there's an error because the webhook currently is not active. So I'm going to put this to active. Got it. And listen for test event. Unpin and test, get quality leads, and boom. So here's my entry. I'm going to execute the workflow. One more time. I'm sorry for the mistake. So real estate leads, Texas, Melbourne.com. I run e-commerce stores. What it does, it makes a copy of the base file I will be sharing with you later. This AI agent starts working. It starts to make a HTTP request to Apify, where it scrapes the search term. From there on out, it starts to add the leads to a Google Sheet. For this workflow, we've added one limit, so we can just work with a couple of leads. I don't need to fill 500 lists that it creates. And from there on out, it starts to create a personalized message for the specific lead, for the specific person, based upon the information they found on the internet. And from there on out, it adds it back to the sheet. And as you can see, here is the full lead list generated of 217 leads with email address, their LinkedIn, and their first name, last name, the company name, the job title, company website, email address, and LinkedIn URL. And this is the row list. So I'm just going to remove everything from here. So let's dive right into the process. To get this form, what you do is the following. You head over to Lovable and you create a free account or a premium account, whatever you want. And you enter this prompt. I need you to build a simple landing page with a form. The fields needed are what type of leads are you searching for, first name, last name, email. Tell us a little about yourself and your accomplishments. Please send all the responses to this webhook. So this is the first note that you add. And you just add here webhook. And what you do is you can copy the test URL and you make sure that you put this to post. Alright? Put this to post, otherwise it won't work. So here you get this URL, and what this does is from this form it can make requests to this webhook, to your n8n. So let's say, for example, I'm going to detach this quickly, and I'm going to start listening for test event, and I'm going to type in lawyer, New York, Elwin @nibla.com. SEO, and as you can see here, lead type, area, first name, last name, email, about yourself. So it gets all this information and it pushes it to this webhook. From there on out, you're going to add the Google Drive. So Drive, Google Drive, and it makes copy file. What copy file does is we have this, let me just open up this template I'm using. We have this lead template in Google Sheets. And this lead template consists of these column names, whatever you want to call them. And what it does, it copies this spreadsheet and so it makes a copy of it, and it enters with your client, so what someone puts in here, their data into it. So you would never have to manually send this, you can just add their data into it directly. So the only thing you do here is, you get it by ID. You put here ID, and you go to your sheet, and you copy the part in between these slashes. Right? You copy this, and you paste this in here. Alright, that's what you do. The only thing you do. And furthermore, you want to give it a file name. So as you can see here, real estate leads, Albin Hot. So you have here the lead type. You just drag in from your webhook. You have the lead type. Lead type. Once again. Lead type dash first name space last name. Like that. Just as that. 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, lawyer Albin Hot, it's the same output. Then we're gonna head over to the AI agent. So here is where you need to head over to Apify. And in Apify, what you do is you go to actors or search, and you find the Apollo scraper. This is the important part. You find the Apollo scraper, and you start save and start. You press it, I think. And here you have this prompt that you use, and what this does, it outputs a link that the Apollo scraper can use in the next node. So this prompt in here, let me just open it up. Here you can head down to the blog. I'm sharing all these prompts that are with you for free. So if you want to get this prompt, etc., just head down to the blog and copy it. So don't bother with screenshotting it, etc. It's just a waste of your time. So let's continue. I hook up my OpenRouter chat model, and I have Gemini 2.5 Pro to it attached. If you don't know how to connect the OpenRouter chat model, head over to nipla.com, YouTube, and here's the article, n8n, how to connect OpenRouter to n8n. So here are your, I'll add this link to the description. From there on out, we're going to make a post HTTP request to the Apollo URL, to the Apify URL. So how you get this URL is the following. You head over to Apify, you go to this link, docs.apify.com/api/v2/act-run-sync-get-dataset-items-post. And here you can see this curl. You just copy this, and from here on out you do import curl, and you paste this in here. Import. What will happen is you'll see a couple of things you need to enter. Here you have the bearer, and here you put your API. So what you do is you go to Apify, settings, API integrations, copy this, paste this in here. Alright, so the things you need to change here is you need to add your API in here. And you see here the double points and the actor ID is you go to Apify, you go to actors, Apollo, and in between this line here, input, you copy this, and you paste it in here. Make sure that there are no missing slashes. And then for the HTTP request, you go to using JSON and a expression, fixed, I'm sorry. Apify, you go to JSON, you copy this, and you paste this in here. And the thing is, you change this link for the execute previous node, I'm sorry. So what you do is, just for the video, you need to have to execute this step because it will output a URL for you. Alright, as you can see, it outputs a URL, and here you just drag in the URL in between the not there, of course, lol. Fixed. Let me just grab this again, copy, paste in here, remove this, and grab the output URL in between this. It goes bad again, so let me just paste this in here manually, like this, perfect. So now execute the step. So now it starts scraping, as you can see, where you go to the runs. Here is a new run started. From there on out, it's just mapping the data. It's pretty simple from here on out. So you've gone past the hard part. So it's now just mapping the data and just enjoying the leads, because you can email all of them. You look at my video here to automate this email process as well. So let me just wait until the run is done. It's capped at 500, and as you can see, it's pretty cheap as well. So 500 leads would set you back around 60 cents, I suppose. We're gonna match them by ID. So the documents, the sheets will match them by ID, meaning this part right here, this code. If you would like to know how you can get it, you go to HTTP request, add parameter, and there you go to copy file, ID, here, same code, just remove these. And then you drop the code, just pin this, drop the code in here, beautiful, lovely, from list, file 1, sheet 1, it's in Dutch. Then map each column manually, column to match on first name. The first name is from this fella, the last name is from this fella, the company name is under organization, so here, company name, pop up like this. You just drag everything in. If you have basic knowledge of n8n, this shouldn't be so too difficult. As you can see here, I've made a small mistake. Here you see object ID, so that's pretty wrong. So here you have organization name. So then we're gonna get the output since 10 Kia, I think. I don't know. The email address, there's no email address scraped. The row this is row dash. Alright, so this because we can map this later in the workflow. I'm gonna add a small limit of 1. Let me head over to the sheet. Here we have the by rows, this copy file item JSON ID, file 1. So let me just execute this step. I had this pinned, so let me just unpin this quickly, execute this step. Alright, as you can see, it has outputted this data right here of lawyers. That was the prompt. And here we have this first row. I'm going to remove this. So here it outputs all this information. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to limit this again to 5. And I really advise you to limit this, because you don't want to get your email addresses flagged. Alright, that will just make more of a hassle. So here, this is where a bit of the magic happens. Here you're going to give him the first name, and it's going to grab the first name from the previous node in sheet. It's going to grab the job title and the company name. And in the system message, you're an expert in cold outreach. Just expression, and make it bigger. Quality, you will give a person first name, blah, 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 title, template, blah, blah, blah. I just found this template online. So you can change this yourself. I've added this as some extra information about me. You can, for example, call this I do AI automation or something else. Alright, so during the editing, I found out that my microphone cut out. So here, I'll be showing you once again. These are the prompts that you need to use for this node. So first name, you get the rows in the sheet, item JSON first name. So that is get rows in sheet, first name, drop it there. Then the JSON job title, there it is, and the JSON company, there it is. Alright, so for the system message, you can retype this or ask AI to retype this, or you can just head to the description, to the blog. Excuse me. And from there on out, you can just copy this. It'll be much simpler. This is here. This part right here is what you need to customize for your outreach. And then what it outputs is a personal message. Here it is, apologies because they couldn't find the first name. So that's a bit of a bummer. But here, 4 personal messages. The only thing needs to be done now is, because you have the here you have the is row like this, is row and then a dash. You're gonna map them here, columns to match on, with the same by ID that we used before. We're gonna match them by this first name, personalized message, execute. And what do you get when you do that? Here, let me execute it. Then we go to the doc. Oh, that's not the lol. That's the wrong docs. So lawyer, here it is. I think there are less things more beautiful than this. Beautiful, personalized messages. And I think with everyone watching this video, outreach really is the numbers game, and this will increase your numbers game. You can attach a email flow to this, or head over to the blog that I shown to automate the emails and the video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can't go around watching these tutorials but not subscribe. We're having 213 subs. We have 8 views, 3 views, 18 views, 21 views, 18 views, 39 views. So we're getting there. I hope you've learned something from this. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Let me see. Leave them down below. Wherever you are, my friend. I wish you a wonderful day, evening, or night. And I talk to you soon. Bye for now.